Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. The best internet resources about service dogs for the mobility impaired. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about service dogs for the mobility impaired is www.servicedogs.org. See the page titled Service Dogs, include, Helping Texans for over 25 years. This is the link. You can also try www.youtube.com, especially the page Service Dog Project, Life on the Farm, March 24, 2013. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see servicedogsforindependence.com. The web page Service Dog Impaired Vision Mobility. This is the link.